So, good day, everyone. Our studies focuses on secure smart airport IoT system for Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3. So, yun. Ito tayo sa introduction. So, NAIA is one of the busiest airports in the Philippines, handling millions of passengers yearly. However, it faces congestions and security challenges. So, meron tayong three major problems. So, ano yun? Next slide. So, una, passenger congestions. Pangalawa, flight delays and poor tracking. And pangatlo, weak security monitoring. So, since NAIA is one of the busiest airports in the Philippines, maraming passengers ang sabay-sabay dumadating, especially during peak hours, holidays, and travel seasons. So, because of that, umahaba ang pila sa check-in counters, immigration, and security checkpoints. This causes delays, overcrowding, and inconvenient for passengers. So, another common problem is delayed flights and inefficient tracking of airport or operation. So, especially in baggage handling and flight coordination. Kapag delayed ang isang process, naapektuhan na rin ang susunod na, which is creates a chain of delays. So, passenger are also experience difficulty in tracking their baggage and flight updates in real time, which lead to confusion and frustration. So the third one is weak security monitoring. Airport security still relies on heavily and manual monitoring, especially in CCTV observation. Since tao lang din ang nagbabantay, possible lang human error, pagod or delay response kapag may suspicious activity. This makes security monitoring this efficient, especially in busy environment like NAIA Terminal 3, where fast detection is very important. So overall, this problem show the current airport system still has limitation in terms of efficiency, monitoring, and security. And because of that, there's a need for a smart and more automated airport system. So next.
Proposed solution. We propose a smart airport IoT system using sensors, AI cameras, and RFID tracking to improve efficiency and security. Ang main proposal namin ay ang pag-implement ng isang smart airport IoT system. Kumbaga gagawin nating intelligent ang airport sa pamamagitan ng pag-connect sa iba't ibang device sa isang network. Ito yung tatlong pangunahing teknolohiya. Number one, sensors. Gagamit tayo ng mga sensor para ma-monitor ang flow ng tao at equipment in real time. AI cameras, hindi lang ito basta CCTV, may artificial intelligence na ito na kayang mag-detect ng mga suspicious behavior o kaya ay mahabang pila para agad ma-action na ng management. RFID tracking. Gagamitin natin ang RFID para sa mas mabilis na pag-track ng mga bagay at assetless errors at mas mabilis na logistic. Okay, next.
Now for our system diagram, this shows how the Wood Smart Airport system works. We have different layers, the device layers and where sensors, AI cameras, and RFID are used to collect data. Then the network layer handles the communication using fast and reliable connection. And the next is the cloud layer, where all the data is processed and stored. Lastly, we have the security layer, and which ensures that all data and system access are protected using a zero trust approach. And next is
Next naman sir is yung security framework. Uh, First is yung multi-factor authentication. Ginagamit po siya para hindi basta-basta ma-access yung system. At encryption to protect data. So, in case ma-access or hindi agad nila mababasa yung pinaka-data kasi encrypted siya. The next naman po is yung zero trust network. So, ito po yung never trust, always verify. So, kahit part po siya ng company or part siya ng system, dapat hindi po siya basta-basta na-access ng kahit sino. Kahit part pa po siya mismo nung bumuo ng system. At next.
For emerging technologies naman po is AI for detecting suspicious behavior. So for AI monitors activities and it detects unusual patterns, like it helps improve security by identifying threats early. So for 5G naman, for fast communication, so 5G enables very fast and reliable data transfer. So and it reduces delay for real-time communication. So digital twin for simulation is digital twin is a virtual copy of a real system, and it is used to test and simulate scenarios safely. So next. So risks. So possible risks includes cyber attacks, data breaches, and system failure. For example, hackers may try to access sensitive data, or system may stop working due to errors. So these are reduced by using firewalls to block attacks, and backup systems to restore data loss. So next. So mitigation, strategies. So cybersecurity. Uh, Protect systems from cyber attacks and unauthorized access using security tools like firewalls and encryption. And data protection secures secures sensitive information from loss of theft throughout encryption and access control. System protection ensures systems run safely by preventing malware, errors, and hardware damage. And redundancy phase uses backup system so operation continue even one system fails. And integration, it connects different systems so they work together smoothly and share data efficiently. And regular monitoring, ito naman yun, continuous check system to detect problems early and maintain performance and security.
Implementation. Our system will be implemented in phases over 6 or 7 months, starting from planning to deployment. So next.
So the so for the expected outcome, yung system namin will help improve airport system security kasi mas mabilis ma-detect yung possible threats. Like makakatulong din siya sa mga delays dahil mas magiging efficient yung tracking ng flights at passengers. And lastly, ma-enhance din yung overall passenger experience kasi mas magiging mabilis at safe at convenient yung proseso sa airport.
conclusion, our proposed system provides a secure and efficient solution for modern airport challenges. So, yun lamang po. Next slide.